There's a stomach-turning cheese out there that's literally been declared the most dangerous cheese on the planet, and somehow people still eat it at weddings. Some types of cheeses are just smelly, others are too high in fat, and others are usually just too much of an acquired taste. But there are a handful of cheeses that take things further than that. Take Milbenkäse, also known as spider cheese. It comes exclusively from the small village of Workschwitz in Germany. Made from a soft cheese called quark, it starts with salt and caraway mixed in before the cheese is left to dry. From there, it's placed in a box with cheese mites and rye flour for about 3 months, and it's actually the digestive enzymes from those mites that ripen the cheese as it sits. The result is a sharp, zesty flavor with bitter notes that only gets stronger with age, although the process itself is enough to give most people pause. And yes, some of those mites are still clinging to the cheese ring by the time it's ready to eat. Fortunately, Milbenkäse is rare enough in the US that most people will never have to make that decision for themselves. As for that dangerous banned cheese, that title belongs to Kazu Marzu, a Sardinian cheese whose name literally translates to rotten cheese. The reason for that name is hard to stomach. The cheese contains live maggots, thanks to the handiwork of cheese skipper flies that lay their eggs directly in the cracks in the cheese as it ages. Once those eggs hatch, the larvae digest the cheese's proteins, breaking it down into a soft, often liquidy texture that's about as unsettling as it sounds. Guinness World Records officially named it the most dangerous cheese in the world back in 2009. And while some locals swear by rumors that it doubles as an aphrodisiac, health officials warn that the live maggots could pose a real risk if they survive digestion. Kazu Marzu has actually been illegal across Italy since 1962, with steep fines for anyone caught selling it. It's also banned in the US, so don't worry about any accidental run-ins either. None of that has stopped it from being a beloved part of Sardinian culture though. It's been eaten there for centuries and still shows up at weddings and celebrations today. Then there's Apois de Bourgogne, a cheese with a much more respectable reputation despite its own unsettling qualities. Reportedly Napoleon's favorite cheese, it's been made in France's Bourgogne region since the 16th century, using a recipe that stayed largely the same since the 1800s. The cheese starts as a soft cow's milk variety, which is then dried before getting moved into caves to ripen. From there, it's washed several times a week with a mix of bacteria, brandy, and water, which gives it that signature bright orange rind and sticky finish. That process also makes it one of the most pungent cheeses in the world. There's even an urban legend claiming it was once banned on Parisian public transportation because of its smell. Though how much truth is behind that story is hard to say. Despite the odor, the flavor itself is surprisingly delicate, with salty, spicy notes that pair beautifully with a dark Belgian beer. Just maybe don't bring it on the subway.